Hello from I3 Detroit. I just wanted to give you a quick update to the expansion, ongoing expansion, and I see that we have some tool crib things moving into the new side. So I have, each thing has a spot, which is very helpful for putting things back. Check that out. You don't have to wonder where a tool goes. There's a drawing of the actual tool. No excuse to put it back. Here. Charging station, isn't that great? So little by little, we're getting there. Side B is just about complete with some more work to do in the machine shop. The side A has a lot of things to do. We have a lot of build out to do in there. As always, keep up to date on the Facebook page to see what we're up to. Come out and join us on an open tour night Friday. Check the schedule to see when those are. And we hope to see you soon. Thanks. Bye.